Nagkatrabaho na kami ni JC before. Mas may connection, mas marami pa kami eksena dito than the last project that I did, of course, with him. Pero, like I said, I think pinakamasasabi ko sa dalawang actor na to is yung professionalism nila is unmatched, na parang pinaramdam talaga nila sa akin na part kaya ako ng buong production, and really it's a team effort, kumbaga. I know this is their movie, I respect that so much because, so far, I mean, your kwento nila Fidel at Stella, syempre. Sobrang respect ko yung kwento nila. Pero, like, for example, when I just said thank you to Bella, thank you so much for letting me be part of this project. Sabi niya sa akin, thank you for joining the parade. Parang, pinaramdam niya talaga sa akin na they wanted me to be part. And from day one, I never felt the pressure from either of them. And I think, makikita mo yung kalabasan sa movie. Yeah.
Actually, yung dagdag lang ako sa character niya. No? If you see, and I'm sure papayagan naman din Direk Jason. Si Clyde ay yung opposite ni Fidel, basically. In terms of physicality and confidence. So, I gelled yung character niya sa akin kaagad kasi